Welcome! Today's video is all about worm tea. Worm tea is a natural liquid fertilizer that is made from worm castings. When you put castings around your plants and vegetables, the compost adds more beneficial bacteria than conventional composting can add. There are a couple different ways that you can make worm tea. One calls for soaking the castings in water. However, I'm going to show you how I make my worm tea, and it's as simple as opening a spigot. I begin with my worm compost bin. It has two layers. The top layer is where the worms live at, and the bottom layer is where the tea collects. But first you may ask why. Why make a worm composting bin? Why collect worm tea? Well, worms recycle your food scraps and other organic material into a valuable soil amendment. Let me show you how my system works. The top layer is where they live at, where I place my scraps and the composting takes place. I have drilled small holes in the very top of my bin. This allows rainwater to collect on the top, then drip slowly down through the casings where it is filtered through and collected in the bottom, making the worm tea. Worms like a cool, dark place. Ideally, the temperature should be 55 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I keep my worm bin out underneath a large oak tree which gets shade all during the day. I've used the black bins to keep it dark. You need a 50-50 mixture of greens and browns to go in your worm bin. Greens would be fruits and vegetables, bread, pasta, and even coffee grounds. Example of browns would be coffee filters, tea bags, paper, and dry leaves. Things you should not put in your worm bin are meats, dairy products, oils, citrus, and onion. After collecting your worm tea, it is suggested that you mix it 10-1 with water. However, you can use as much or as little as you would like, because studies show that worm tea will not burn your plants. You can spray it on the foliage, or you can put it in a watering can and water it directly into the soil. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to give composting and worm tea a try.